parties have determined that within this 2-3 days we are going to have a small committee, joint movement committee for statehood demand. We have everybody agreed, all the participants have agreed that all like-minded organization, all like-minded political party should join together. It is a demand for our people. It is a demand for all political party to have a joint movement to achieve our goal. Once again, I really thanks our Maharaja for his keen interest and for his advice and guidance. I think our both parties or different parties will join together in the near future. Thank you.
কতটা সংগঠন আজকের এই মিটিংয়ে যোগদান করছে?
How many organizations? I have not list. Maybe I think eight organizations, maybe 8 organizations plus some individual to participate. Now I'll to everybody. Especially I thanks our Govakara, our Chairman Pramotha, and also the President Pramotha, Vikar Uncle, and my Vice President Raul De Borma. They have responded my invitation. As you all know, it has come out in social media that today we are going to discuss about the formation of joint movement committee for full-fledged statehood development and NRC. So first of all, I would like to thank all the delegates who participate here. We have so many groups, political leaders, social workers, intellectual NGOs have come and joined our meeting. And especially I thanks the media friend for their cooperation. Today we have a long discussion, about 4 hours. We have discussed thoroughly about our agenda, how to go ahead, our future course of action, especially all like-minded political organizations should come together for a joint movement for statehood demand. And as you all know, very shortly, within this month, I-50 as well as the Pramotha are planning to go Delhi for deputation. So we have discussed thoroughly how to proceed ahead